Okay.
Get the front porch.
Oh my gosh.
That thing hanging off the roof.
What thing? Oh. Oh. Battery's running out.
Go charge it up.
Got about 3 feet of snow in our driveway. There's my car. There's Dad's old truck. Here's our yard. The tree's about halfway covered up. This is December 21st, 2006. And we just had a blizzard last night. There's our porch. If that fell on someone, that would definitely hurt a lot. Snow comes up to about my knees here.
So you can email it.
I will.
Walk over there.
Dad.
Walk to the car. Go get the front of the house.
I already did.
With the truck.
No, I already did earlier.
That big piece that's about to fall off.
I did.
Really good.
No.
Put it all together.